Hello friend, this is Dharmendra once again with my new video on AutoCAD. In this video I am going to tell you about how to draw a rectangle and use chamfer and fillet command as well. So our priority is here to know about rectangle command using area, dimension and rotation. We are proceeding with the command here. Before starting I would like to set unit, dimension and Limax, which is quite essential to know. For that, use UN for unit. Length type decimal here, precision is 0, and scale I am taking here as millimeter. Then pressing OK. Now the dimension style manager, press D, enter, modify, choose primary unit, decimal is OK here, precision is 1 second 0, OK, set current and close. I am not elaborating too much about unit and dimension because already I have discussed about unit, dimension and Limax in my previous video. That's why I am keeping it simple here. Now Limax command, LIMMA, adds, enter. I am taking here 100, 100, 100, that means x axis, and 100, that is y axis, length and width. Once again. Now proceeding with the rectangle command, REC. The initial 3 letter is used for command, that is REC. Press enter. Specify first corner. Specify first corner means I can click anywhere on the screen to define the first corner. Here it's showing the rotation angle. I will keep it 0 here to draw it straight. Now I have to choose the option given here, area, dimension and rotation. I am choosing here area command. That means I will press A, enter. Now I have to provide the area. I am taking here 100 unit. Okay. Now I have to provide length. For that, L, enter. Length I am picking here 10. Once again. So here are the drawn image. Z, enter. O, enter for object display. So now we have got our object drawn. Let me find out the dimension first. DLI for dim linear. For a straight line dimension we can use DLI, or we can even use the linear command from the toolbar. Okay. So 10 length and 10 width. After multiplication the area would be 10 into 10, that means 100 square millimeter square, or any unit which you have chosen. That means it will be in square. Now once again I am taking area rectangle command, REC, enter. This time after specifying first corner I will choose dimension option, D, enter. Then I am taking 50 unit as length and 10 unit as width. So I have got my rectangle drawn here. Z, enter. O, enter. O, enter. This is my rectangle. Okay. So I have got to know about two different methods. First one is area and second one was dimension. Now once again I am drawing this rectangle using rotation command. That means the dimension will be given there and the rotation angle must be provided. REC enter, specify first corner. Now choose rotation angle, keep it 45 degree. Now choose once again dimension or area, any command you can choose here. Use length 10 unit and the width should be whatever you want to, keep it 12 unit. Okay, so Z enter, A enter. Once again I have got my rectangle drawn here. L enter. I am providing the baseline to get to know about the angle. Using angular command I will pick first and second side. Z enter, O enter. Okay, this way I have got to know the use of a rectangle using dan command. We can get the value of the side which is in angular way. So this was the use of rectangle using three different methods: dimension, rotation and area as well. Now we are going to use fillet command. Fillet and chamfer. Okay, for that purpose we need to draw a rectangle once again. REC enter, rotation should be 0, not 45. Okay, now choose any of them. 10 enter, 12 enter. The rectangle has been drawn. Now use fillet. For fillet command we will press F enter, then we will find out the radius and side are multiple as well, so press M enter for multiple side. Now choose the radius. I am taking here 2 unit. Select first corner, select second. Clicking one by one we can fillet the corner. Okay, fillet also used to join the corner. Now if there is two perpendicular line drawn and we want to draw an arc, we may use fillet as well. F enter, click on first line, click on second line. So this way we can use fillet command as well. Okay, now the another option is chamfer. For chamfer we also need to draw a rectangle. Once again REC enter, click on first corner, use dimension 10 enter and width should be 10 also. Rectangle command is finished. Now I am using chamfer. CHA enter. Side are multiple, so we will press M enter for multiple side, and the distance from corner, that means D enter. Specify first distance. We will provide a particular distance from the point, end point. I am taking here 2 unit. The second chamfer distance is also 2. Now I will click one side of the corner and second side of the, one by one, and it will look like this. Okay, this was all about rectangle, chamfer and fillet command. Hope you like it, enjoy it, try to practice it.